Hi.
Hi.
We're human beings. Oh, shoot.
I think you have to start over.
No, we don't. It's okay. it's okay. I don't know what's wrong.
Looks good to me.
Oh, wait a minute. This is really hard to get the... We are not starting over. We'll film this video like it is.
And we will be seasick watching it. For sure.
Yes. I can't get myself in it. Oh, here's the dog, by the way. He's upside down. Why is the camera upside down?
I don't know.
Look at this, wait. There's your shoe, and then it goes up like that. And then there's the chair. I don't know why, I can't get that. I don't know how to do. Okay.
Here's Grampy. Get a picture of Grampy coming.
Okay.
What's that?
I don't know, she's doing something wacky with the camera and everything's upside down.
I didn't do it up. See, look at the trees upside down.
The tree is growing upside down.
The chair is upside down. Okay, where are we going? Oh, we have this one. Wait. Can you hold the dog for a second? I'm gonna see if the tent's upside down. The ground is. Wait. I'm gonna do something hilarious. If I'm gonna drop this in front of the camera.
Okay.
It's falling up. Why? Oh my gosh, it's just... Wait, check this out. It's gonna fall down now. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can do it through the camera. Hey! So close. Oh! Here you go.
Oh, Rambo.
Did it hit him?
It did.
Oh, buddy.
We're done with that. Yeah.
He's fine.
I'm sorry.
Upside down tree.
Is the lake upside down?
The lake's upside down. The boats are upside down. It's absolute madness. You know, I wonder if I turn the camera the other way. Oh, everything's still upside down.
Wow.
Wait a minute, the camera's upside down, but the actual program isn't. Like the actual,
That's weird.
the app isn't upside down. Anyway, there's the dog upside down. There's the car upside down. There's the lake upside down. And here's me.
Upside down?
Also upside down. Now it's upside down and opposite.
Oh, that's even worse.
That's a problem.
That's wacky.
Wait. Ah!
So my wrinkles are all going up.
Guess what that is?
Rambo's ear.
Hey, you gave it away.
I did.
And anyway.
Say hi to Ron. Get Ron upside down.
Wrong way.
Ah, wrong way. He didn't call you punk.
No.
Wow, you must have graduated. Ah, she graduated from punk. Oh, I've been sitting on his leash and it's wet. And now I'm
Dog
damp.
butt wet.
I'm damp.
Goodbye.